This is a Nissan remote, so the key is separate. This is just the remote, and we're going to replace the battery on this. This was pretty easy. There's no screws. You got a little spot. Really, I take a quarter, use a big head, flathead screwdriver, give it a little twist, just gently. Comes apart really, really nice. There's the weather stripping. There's the battery. Just give a little tiny twist. There's our battery for it. This one is a CR2025, little 3-volt battery. Now for replacements, I like to use the Duracell or Energizer. I like to use a brand name replacement. It says a little plus down, so you go plus side down. Just in there is plus. Just give it a little push. Clips in nicely. And again, this is pretty simple. Just line everything up. Make sure it's all there. Here is a Nissan 4-button remote. So you count the 3 buttons plus the panic. It's a Nissan 4-button remote. Key separate. I'll just go this one more time. Again, there's no screws. There's no real spot to see where to clip it, to slip it apart. Right at the front here, I just take a quarter. Use a big screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. It's a little twist. Doesn't take much. There's our battery. See the contacts there. So it's always opposite to the to what the battery is how you figure out where it's come loose a little bit. So again, this one is a Sony CR2025. That's the replacement. It's got a plus on here. There's nothing on the back side. But you can always say the back side is where the contacts are. Just clip her back in. Again, stick with brand name. Don't go over to the dollar store. No name batteries. They don't last long. Pretty simple. Nissan 4-button remote. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.